Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you saw the first video on multicolored print, you saw me pull a yellow print from the woodblock. Today, I'm going to put the second color on the print, so stick around and see what happens. I am going to take the first image, the yellow image from the same block, and I'm going to add blue to it. There it is, blue, and here's the yellow print. I'm going to put some ink on the plate, and for this one I'm using a Speedball ink. Put a little bit on this plate. I've been working on some of the prints already. Like I said previously, I was going to work a couple of prints at a time, but I'm going to coat that one there. And do it again, and that should be enough for that. We take our yellow print and I make sure that I have it facing the right direction. These are registration marks. The Japanese call it kento markings. And I'm going to place the corner of this image on the first mark over here. And it's not as easy as I thought, but we're going to try this. And move it up to get to the second mark. The second mark being right here. Okay, we have it at the registration marks, and I'm just going to drop it down, take a piece of paper, get my Baron, and just rub it. And then use my spoon. And you see some of the blues coming up through the yellow. I think it's pretty good, but we're going to try another one, and I'm going to put a little more ink on the plate. Move the block over. Put some extra ink on this plate. That's maybe too much, but okay, put on a block. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should be enough for that. And I'm going to find the Kento marks again, the registration marks. On there. Get the paper. Use my spoon. Let me go back over it with the Baron to make sure that I got good coverage. Keep on rubbing. Okay, and now I'm going to pull this print. Move the block. And there's that print. Okay. You see some of the yellow back there. Compare it to this one over here. You can decide which one you like better. And that's basically it for pulling the prints for this color. The next color is going to be a black, and I will videotape that and show you what the results are, because that will be the final color, and those are the prints that will be for sale on my website, jazzprophoto.com. Please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed watching these videos. Okay? Thank you very much. See you later.